जम्मू आ गए, दिल्ली आ गए, अलग अलग जगह पे आ गए, और अभी सरकार उनको कह रही है कि प्रिजन से
मेरी बात समझ गए? क्या सबके साथ मर्डर हो जाता है? क्या सारी बहुएं जला के मार दी जाती?
हेलो स्टूडेंट, आज हम बात करेंगे हलाला के बारे में. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय हलाला and how it is signified under Indian legal system. So halala is actually a practice which is whenever any husband of Muslim personal law given divorce as triple talaq, that is also called talaqul biddat. So if he gave divorce by triple talaq or instant form of talaq, and after that he realizes that he wants to marry the same woman to whom he divorced. Now the way is not direct. He will have to go for another practice. Here wife is subjected to the intermediary marriage. Intermediary means the wife is to marry someone else. Marriage is consummated and the second husband give divorce. After that, the husband who has given the triple talaq can go to the marriage with the women. So this practice of intermediary marriage with somebody else and the marriage is consummated is known as halala marriage. But if we consider it the relevance in present time in India, so halala marriage is one of the most controversial kind of marriage which was criticized in India from the time when we are discussing about Article 21. Article 21 talks about right to life with dignity, and the women is subjected to double trauma. In one hand, she was divorced. In another instance, she was subjected to the intermediary marriage and then to marry with the first one husband. So now, in the case of Shaira Banu versus Union of India, wherein triple talaq was declared as void, the question was also related to the halala. But in this case, the halala marriage was not considered for the decision. So the judgment was silent about the relevance of halala, and almost all the judges are saying that this kind of practice is humiliating for the women, not for the husband. So we need to, prevent this kind of practice. Halala is still a question to be discussed by the Supreme Court of India. So we need to wait when the Supreme Court gives its verdict and declares this practice of halala is void or unjusticiable. So this is the practice, not we can say that it is not relevant in present time because triple talaq is already void. But still the law is very clear. We have absence of judicial verdict where halala is declared as void. So we need to wait for the Supreme Court judgment where this practice is abrogated. This is all for today. Thanks for watching this.
Subscribe for more content.